Okay, here's what the car looks like right now. The tow company's on the way. No damage. You can see I'll walk around the car. Sorry, it's getting fuzzy. You can see no damage all around the wheel well lip. It's in good shape. There's a lot of this kind of stuff on here. I think it's just wax. Brand new bumper, so if that's been dinged, then you'll know. As I walk around the car, here's the front. Here's the only damage that I know about. There is a chip right there, that's good. And right there on the fender. And I think there's one on the back. This one would be hard to tell. You might be able to see it. There's right there. It's been, can't get it. It's been touched up at some point. Here's the inside. A little dirty on the carpet, but it's brand new. Less than a year old. Everything is in good shape. New seats. Everything is there. Dash uncut. Seats untouched. Sorry, there's a little bird poop there. No speakers. Has the original ones under the dash, but they're worthless. And I think that's about it. Oh, let me fire it up. It's cold. Find the keys. And here's the miles. 43746. That's and there it is. Oop, cracking steering wheel. Another one there. This looks good. Oh, and there's a door handle cap missing. It should look like this. That one, the cap is missing. It's a brand new one right there in a bag I bought this morning. That one had a fingernail chip or something out of it, so I replaced it for you. Alright, that's about it. Hopefully he'll be here any second.